Good morning, all of you. Today we will learn our next concept, that is the showing fractions on a number line. Okay, that is the concept from chapter number 4, operation on fractions. Our next concept is showing fraction on a number line. On number line means we have to show the fraction number on the number line. Then how we can show this on the number line? Suppose we will understand this concept by using examples. Suppose we take the number 3 by 4. Okay. Here we have to represent this number by using the number line. This fraction by using the number line. Now simply consider the number line. Okay. Suppose that is our number line. Okay. Number line on number line here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and whatever -1, -2, -3, -4. Now, can you see the each part of each unit of number line divided into equal parts, that is 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Here we have to represent the fraction 3 by 4 on number line. Now simply when given number is proper fraction, then it is always between 0 and 1. जर तुमचा दिलेला नंबर हा प्रॉपर फ्रॅक्शन असेल तर तो नेहमी 0 आणि 1 च्या बिटवीन येतो. सो टेक द लाइन फ्रॉम 0 to 1. Okay, suppose that is our 0 and that is our 1. Okay, now split this line into how many parts? 4 parts, because our denominator is 4. Okay, to show the fraction on the number line must be divided into the part equal as denominator in the fraction. Denominator ला जेवढा काही नंबर आहे त्या नंबर मध्ये आपल्याला नंबर लाइन चे युनिट्स डिवाइड करायचे असतात. Divide the units of number line into the equal part as like the denominator. Okay, किती denominator आहे 4. So divides the each unit into 4 equal parts. Okay, so divide 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can see how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can divide the number line, or this line may be extended. Suppose it is up to like 2. Okay, here that is 2. Then also 1 to 2 also divided into 4 parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. Means each unit on the number line divided into 4 equal parts because the denominator is 4. Now you can see that is our 1, that is our 3 by 4. We have to represent. And here we divide the number line, divide the each unit into 4 equal parts. Therefore, that is 1 by 4 part of this number line. This is 2 by 4. This is 3 by 4. And that is 4 by 4. And 4 by 4, 1. That is our 1. Therefore, here there is no need to write 4 by 4 because we know that 4 by 4, 1. Now next, that is 3, that is 4. That here 5 by 4. You can see this number line also divided into this unit is also divided into 4 parts. Therefore 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. Now here 8 by 4. Then 8 by 4. We know that 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 2. Therefore 2 by 1 is equal to the 2. Then there is 2. Understand? Now to show the fraction on the number line, divide the each part of the each unit of the number line as like the denominator is given. Okay, so we can divide this into 4 parts. What is our 3 by 4 number? That is the 3 by 4. Okay, like this you can represent the number on number line, represent the fraction on number line. Now suppose we can take next example, that is 6 by 3. Now you can see this. This is the improper fraction because the value of numerator is greater than denominator. Now you can see here denominator is 3. Now divide the each unit of the number line into 3 parts. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, that is our 0. Suppose it is our 1, it is 2, and forever it goes forward direction, that is suppose it is 4. Okay, that is our 3 suppose here. Then we have to split this line into 3 parts. Why? Because denominator is 3. So split 1, 2, 3. There are split into 3 equal parts. Here also 3 equal parts. Here also 3 equal parts. Okay. Now here you have to represent 6 by 3. Okay. So let's start. That is the first part of 1 by 3rd. That is 2 by 3. Here 3 by 3 means 3 ones are 3. Therefore 1 by 1. Suppose here we take 1. Okay. That is 3 ones are 3. Therefore here 1. Then we are 3 by 3, then 3 by 4. Sorry, 4 by 3 here. 4 by 3. 5 by 3. Now here 6 by 3. And we know that 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Therefore 2 comes here. Okay, understand? Now next is 7 by 3. 8 by 3. Here 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 3 threes are 9. Therefore 3 comes here. Understand? Now what is our number? That is 6 by 3. Find the 6 by 3. 6 by 3 means what? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. That is 2. And here our 6 by 3. Okay, understand? Or we can write it as suppose 6 by 3 and that is our 2. Okay, we can write it as suppose on upper side that is 3. You can write like this or like only 2 because 3 by 6, 6 by 3 is equals to the 2. Understand? कळलं तुम्हाला काय करायचं? जेवढे काही डिनॉमिनेटर असतील डिनॉमिनेटर इतके फ्रॅक्शन करायचे एक प्रत्येक युनिटचे आणि मग ते रिप्रेझेंट करायचे. अंडरस्टँड? Now suppose we take the one more example. That is suppose we take the next example that is 2 by 5. Now see the denominator that is 5 means divide the each unit into the 5 equal parts. So divide the suppose we take line that is 0 here 1 2. Okay. Now we know that when the number is proper, fraction is proper fraction, then it is always between 0 and 1. Therefore there is no need to write all these numbers or all these units. It is also between 0 and 1. Okay. When the fraction is proper fraction, it is always between 0 and 1. Therefore divide the 5 equal parts 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5. That is our 5 equal parts. आपण 5 काय equal parts मध्ये divide केलं. So write 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Here 5 by 5 and we know that 5 by 5 is equal to 1. Understand? You can write 1 or 5 by 5 anything but constant 1. Okay. Therefore here we only write 5 by 5 is equal to 1. What is our number? 2 by 5. Now see here that is our 2 by 5. Okay. You can show like this on number line. कळलं तुम्हाला कसं शो करायचं? फक्त दिलेले डिनॉमिनेटर इतका प्रत्येक स्केलला प्रत्येक युनिटला डिवाइड करायचं आणि त्यावरती नंबरिंग करायचं. ओके. अंडरस्टँड? नाउ सी इफ देयर आर 2 or 3 fractions at a time we have to shown on the number line. तिथे जर 2 किंवा 2 पेक्षा जास्त फ्रॅक्शन ह्या नंबर लाईन वरती शो करायचे असतील तर बघा कसं. सपोज आपण एक्झाम्पल घेतलं 2 by 3, 4 by 7 and sorry 2 by 4 by 3 and 4 by Suppose we take like this 7 by 3. Okay. Now here we have to represent this number on the number line. आपल्याला हा number line वरती represent करायचा आहे. So बघा, first that is 3. Denominator is 3 means divide the part of each unit of the line into 3 equal parts. So first we will draw the line. It is 0 here. Suppose 1, 2, 3 or whatever it may be goes on. Okay. Now divide each unit into 3 equal parts. So divide this 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now you can see these are the equal parts of line. Again divided into 3. Again this is equal parts, suppose. And here also divided with 3. Okay. You can measure by scale. Okay. 2 and 3 suppose here. Okay. Now here we have to represent the number 2 by 3. What is this? 1 by 3 because it is divided into 3 equal parts. Each scale is divided into 3 equal parts, and that is the first part of your first unit, that is the 1 by 3. Here 2 by 3, and we know that when we get 3 by 3 that is equal to 1. Now here 4 by 3, next is 5 by 3. What is our 6 by 3? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, that is 2 here. Now 7 by 3, 8 by 3, 9 by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, that is 3 here. तुम्ही पुढे पण काढू शकता जर तुम्हाला पुढे नंबरिंग असेल तर 4 5 6. Okay. Now you can see here what is first number, that is 2 by 3. आता 2 by 3 कैसे रिप्रेझेंट करणार बघा कुठे आहे, that is our 2 by 3. Next 4 by 3, that is our 4 by 3, and next 7 by 3 is here, that is our 7 by 3. Understand how to represent the numbers on the number line when the 2 3 4 numbers are given and represent this number on same number line. कळलं तुम्हाला कशी करायची रिप्रेझेंट? डिनॉमिनेटर बघायचं किती आहे, डिनॉमिनेटर इतके इक्वल पार्ट्स करायचे प्रत्येक युनिटचे आणि ते त्या नंबर लाइन वर शो करायचे. ओके. अंडरस्टँड? नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट example. If the mixed number is given, okay, if the mixed number is given, then we have to represent by using the number line. Suppose we will take the example from practice set, that is, suppose we take example from practice set, that is 3 by 5, 6 by 5. Okay, and we have to take the mixed number here, that is 2 and 3 by 5. Okay. Now how we will represent the mixed number by using the number line? Okay, let's see here. That is our number line 0, 1 and 2. Okay. Now see the denominator. What is the denominator? 5. Then divide the denominator into divide the each unit into 5 equal parts. So divide this 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is our 5 equal parts. Now again divide this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is our 5 equal parts. Divide the each unit into 5 equal parts because our denominator is 5. So let's number it. So here 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Why 2 by 5? Because first unit is divided into 5 parts and 1, 2. Here we will start the numbering. That is the second part. Okay, second part of fifth unit. Here 3 by 5, 4 by 5. And we know that 5 by 5 is 1. Here 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5. And next that is 10 by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Here 2 is written. Okay. Now we have to represent the numbers. First number is 3 by 5. So here you can see here 3/5. आता बघा दुसरा काय आहे, that is 6/5. Find 6/5. Here our 6/5. Okay, now we will represent 2 and 3/5. Now how we can represent 2 and 3/5? It is very easy. Let's see. Our number is 2 and 3/5. What is our number? 2. Okay. Now find the 2. Where is 2? This is 2. Okay. Now 2. Then next is 3. Okay. So increase this number line because we have to, and again divide it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. Okay. Again divide into it 5 equal parts because denominator is 5. Okay. 2 after 2 3/5. 2 नंतर काय पाहिजे? 3. ओके. 2 नंतरचं 3 पाहिजे आपल्याला, म्हणजे 2 and 3/5. What is 2? Then here 3. That is 1, 2, 3. Here our 2 and 3/5 is correct. Okay. इथे आपला 2 and 3/5 येईल. काय येईल बघा. 2 नंतर काय पाहिजे? 3/5. 2 नंतर काउंट करा 1, 2, 3. म्हणजे 2 नंतर किती? 3/5 घ्या. म्हणजे 2 नंतर 1, 2, 3. That is our 2 and 3/5. अंडरस्टँड? मिक्स नंबर कसा रिप्रेझेंट करायचा बघा. वरचे जे 2 नंबर आहेत ते बघायचे. 2 and 3 means this number is comes between 2 and 3. So here 2 and 3. Now 2 and 3 means after 2 third position 1, 2, 3. 2 नंतर हा नंबर कशामध्ये आला आहे? 2 आणि 3 मध्ये आला आहे. बरोबर. तो येईल. ते नंबर करून कन्सिडर करायचं. 2 and 3 मध्ये हा नंबर येतो. 2 नंतर थर्ड पोझिशनला येतो, म्हणजे 2, 1, 2, 3. ओके. In this way you can represent the number on number line. Understand? You can represent the fractions, mixed numbers, proper fraction, improper fraction, anything on number line. Okay. Now we'll see the practice set. That is the practice set 11. And first example, what fraction do the point A and B show on the number line? Okay. Here number line is given in first question. Okay. Number line is given. Okay. In number line, that is 0, 1 and 2 here. And here there are blank spaces A and B, and we have to find the numbers in A and B. Now here 0/6, we know that it is always 0. Then 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6 and 5/6. Here 6/6. We know that there is 1, and here we have to find this value. Okay. Here A, and it is the blank space. Okay. Means you know that 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6 means this part is divided into 6 parts. Now see the second unit. In second unit also 12/6 at the position of 2. 12/6 is given, and we have a number which is here. B find out करायचा आहे आपल्याला. Okay, that is it is divided into 6 equal parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we have to find the remaining numbers. Some numbers are given, and here also the only first. These numbers are not given. Okay. Now we have to find out these numbers. बघा इथे दिलेला आहे 0/6, 1/6 म्हणजे ही लाईन फर्स्ट युनिट किती पार्ट मध्ये डिवाइड आहे? 6 पार्ट मध्ये. So write it as 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, here 5/6, and 6/6 is 1. Now 7/6, 8/6, 9/6, here 10/6, then 11/6, 12/6 is automatically given here. Then you can continue further. Okay, this is our A is 5/6 and B is 10 by 6. How we can find out these? Simply the number line is given. Here 0 by 1 by 6, 0 by 6 given means 0 and 1. First unit is divided into 6 equal parts. Therefore we divide this 1 by 6, 2 by 6 like this. Okay. Understand this example? Okay. The mixed example now. The last example which is remaining, and you will try to solve this example. Okay.